Example for sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization can be explained with an example like boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, ethylene, NO3 minus, carbonate ion, CO3 minus ions. These are the examples of sp2 hybridization. What is sp2 hybridization? One s orbital, two p orbitals of central atom intermixing to form a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are called as sp2 hybridization. This sp2 hybridization can be done by boron trifluoride. In boron trifluoride, in BF3, boron is a central atom. The atomic number of boron is 5. The general electronic configuration, that is the ground state electronic configuration of boron, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. In outermost shell, we see 2s orbital containing 2 electrons and 2p orbital containing 1 electron. And last 2py and 2pz orbital having no electron. The electron jumps from 2s orbital to 2p orbitals to give a one s orbital and 2 p orbitals combined to give a 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. That is this. One electron jumps from 2s orbital to 2py orbitals undergoes sp2 hybridization. The attached atom like fluorine atoms, 3 fluorine atoms. The fluorine atomic number is 9. The general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. The last outermost shell of fluorine atom containing 1 unpaired electrons. We have 3 fluorine atoms containing 3 unpaired electrons. That is the p orbital of 3 fluorine atoms containing 3 unpaired electrons. This is the boron, central atom boron. Each sp2 hybrid orbital carrying 1 electron, and the fluorine atoms carrying 1 electrons in the p orbitals. That is this p. It having overlapping to form a sp2 p, sp2 p, sp2 p. 3 sigma bonds are formed, pairing to give a 3 sigma bonds, and overlapping to 3 sp2p bonds are formed. This is the boron trifluoride structure. This is the trigonal planar shape, and the bond angle is 120 degrees. This is the example for boron trifluoride, and the explained with the sp2 hybridization.